Hey friends, here's what's moving today. Maiko. The market's mood feels neutral. Big US stocks like the S&P 500 are up about 1.5%. Oil prices, WTI, really dropped, down about 4.5%. That might point to changes in global demand. Oil plunged and Europe rallied after Trump called off Iran strikes, fueling global risk-on sentiment. Japan confirmed a joint yen intervention, though Asian caution remains. First Solar was up about 10% today after Guggenheim maintained its buy rating and raised its price target. Looking at the S&P 500 sectors, communication services was the strongest, climbing nearly 3%. On the other end, energy was the weakest, falling about 1.25%. Overall, 8 sectors posted gains today, while 3 moved lower. Six of the Magnificent Seven were higher, with Meta leading gains, up about 6%. Amazon is near its 52-week high. Oil prices fell today on news of US-Iran de-escalation, and the Energy Fund was down about 1%. The NLR Fund was up about 4%, today's biggest mover. US stocks climbed broadly, with tech and small caps up. Nvidia saw the most volume today, about 130 million shares. That one's always active. Amazon.com also traded heavily, up about 4.5%. 9 of the 10 busiest names closed higher. Marriott reported today and beat estimates. Here, SpaceX earnings are still to come tomorrow. And Apple also goes ex-dividend this week. Today, the 5-year Treasury yield is 4.40%, the 10-year 4.69%, down 6 basis points, and the 30-year is 5.23%. The long-term Treasury fund was up about 0.33%, reflecting broadly lower US Treasury yields. The US dollar index edged up slightly today. The Korean won firmed about 0.75% against the dollar, while the Australian dollar slipped about 0.5%. Turning to markets around the world, Asian trading was mixed overnight, and European markets have also been mixed. The biggest move outside the US came from Korea, where the Kospi index saw a decline of about 5%. Oil tumbled about 4% today, while corn surged about 7%. This shows a broad split across commodities, with crude falling as metals, grains, and natural gas all gained. Bitcoin is holding steady around $64,000, with Avalanche and Polkadot both up about 5%. Overall, Bitcoin and Solana were steady, Ether dipped, and companies linked to Bitcoin saw gains. We're watching the S&P 500, a big measure of US stocks. If it stays above 7,753, the market's good mood might keep going. After its August rebalance today, our models watch list has refreshed and now includes 3 names for the coming month. And that's it for now. We'll still gather the world's markets into one simple view for you every morning.